Okay, so we are going to practice today a moon salutation. A moon salutation is a series of exercises I have developed. If you do this on a regular basis, it basically incorporates all your joints, all your muscles, all your organs, and gives you a kind of complete package for whole body. It's a little bit difficult for starters, but if you do it regularly, it's quite easy and very effective, and it's cardiovascular as well. If you do it for 4 rounds, I bet you'll be sweating top to bottom. So it's a very effective exercise, and I said is complete package. So once you learn it, you don't have to do a lot of other exercises. It will fulfill your day-to-day need for the exercise. So I'm gonna show you. Remember, breathing is very important when you practice yoga, because when you do it with breathing, what it does, it helps your body cooperate, your lungs, your cardiovascular system cooperate with your exercises, so you struggle less and you perform better. So try to learn breathing, and breathing is also not complicated. It's almost like in practice 1 you inhale, in practice 2 you exhale, so it's almost alternate. As you switch through the poses, you inhale and exhale. That's how it works. So let us start. So this is posture number 1. It's called salutation pose. Every posture has its name. I'll try to spell it out as much as I remember, and if you don't remember the names, it doesn't really matter for your personal practice. All matters is to know the right sequence. So this is posture number 1. When you proceed to number 2, you got to take a deep breath and go 45 degrees backward. And remember, each posture is supposed to be held for 5 seconds. So go down. It's called hand and feet together pose. For starters, your hands may not reach ground, but soon, like within 3-4 months, you will make a great progress in forward bending and your hands will start reaching ground easily. Now you stretch your left leg about 1.5 meter back, approximately 4 feet, and then lower your knee to the ground like this, and then push your body out and up, so chest is exposing front. Now you got to join your palms and raise your hands like this. Make sure your elbow is not bent. Stretch up, and then slowly raise your back knee like this. Make sure your front leg is perpendicular to the ground. Shin bone is perpendicular and your thighs are horizontal. Now go back again. You should stretch back that your hands go over your heels. So remember, you have to make that progress. So gradually your hands make a right arch like a bow, stretching backward. Now hands on the floor, and then right leg back for mountain posture. Try to place your crown of the head to the ground and your heels also to the ground. Next is a balancing pose, Santolanasana. So your body remains straight, firm, stiff from shoulders to heels, making one straight line. Now as you breathe in, you bend your elbow and lower your chin, chest and knees to the ground. It's called 8 limbs salutation pose, where your body is resting on 8 limbs. And these 8 limbs are your 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chin and chest. And then you go for Bhujangasana, Cobra pose, arm straight, push back, feet together, breathing kept in. Now slowly raise your knee, stretch forward, pulling your calf muscles, and then back to mountain posture. Next, you bring your left foot forward and try to bring it exactly between your hands, like here. And then right knee to the ground. And then as you take nice and deep inhale, raise your hands, stretch, and slowly raise your knee, coming back to Virasana, warrior pose. And then you come down and then do a spinal twist. So you put the knee down and put your right elbow beside your left knee like this, and then join your palm and create a twist. This helps for diabetic patients. By twisting your body, you exert some pressure to your pancreas gland, and that increases blood circulation, energy flow into your gland, and improves the function of it. So 5 seconds. And then here, next, squatting posture. It's called Utkatasana. So sit down with your feet joint, knees together, hands at the front. It's good for reducing abdominal fat, belly fat. Stretch your hands like this, and the knee straight, hands down, and then take a deep breath and you go backward. And then join your palms. So this completes half cycle of moon salutation. So you start with your left leg and then do all 24 poses. And now we're going to start with the right leg and then complete all the poses that we have done using right leg backward and forward to complete one round of it. So again, posture number 1, Namaskarasana or salutation pose. And then you go forward, exhale. Your right leg goes about 4 feet behind, and then palm together, your knee up, push backward, balance your body weight on your feet. Hold here straight. Now bring right foot forward and then raise your hands up and you go back. And then again the Miruvakrasana for twisting your spine and abs. So left hand now goes outside your right knee. Join the palm as you do Namaste and then look sideways and hold here. 5 seconds and then back to this one. Stretch forward. And that's how it completes one round.